example number 4 says, write the standard form of an equation of a parabola. So we have a parabola. The focus is 5, 0, and the vertex is 0, 0, which is the origin. It is best to be able to make a sketch. Of course, you can do it without a sketch, but for this type of problem, a sketch is very, very helpful. I'm just going to do my x and my y. My vertex is 0, 0. My focus is 5, 0. That means I'm going to go to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I must stay there. That is my focus. Remember, your focus has to be inside your parabola. So which way will the parabola be facing? Up, down, left, or right? So in this case, you are forced to draw a parabola that's facing to the right. It's facing the x-axis. So that means that the way I memorize it, is that it's facing the x-axis, so this will be 4px. Now, the vertex is 0, 0, so I don't need to write down an h. And on the other side, I don't need to write down a k. So on the other side, we have a y square. The only thing that I need to find the value of p. So find p. But to find p is a very quick process because we know p is the distance from your vertex to the focus. How many spaces? 5. So p is equal to 5. So the only thing I need to do is just plug in a 5 in here. So y squared is equal to 4. Instead of p will be 5. Y squared is equal to 20x. And that will be the equation. One of the last things that you want to focus is if it's facing the right, this should be positive. If it's facing the left, that should end up with a negative. Let's do the last example, example number 5. I'm going to draw the x-axis and y-axis. I'm going to plot the points. It says, write the standard form of the equation of a parabola. They give you the directrix, so they give you the, in this case it's crossing the x-axis, so they give you the vertical line for the directrix. And the vertex is 0, 0, which is your origin. Your directrix is -2, so I'm going to go 1, 2, and that'll be a vertical line. Now I need to decide which way my parabola is facing, up, down, right, or left. Now my directrix is to the left 1, 2, so my focus will be on the opposite side 1, 2. So that means your parabola is facing the right once again. It's facing the x, so that'll be 4px. I don't need an h because it's 0, and I don't need a k either because it's also 0. So the only thing I need to be able to find p. To find p, you can use the distance formula, or we can just count how far is my vertex away from my focus away from my vertex, 2. So p is equal to 2. And I just plug it in. Y squared is equal to 4. But instead of the p will be a 2. Y squared is equal to 8x. Remember, one of the last thing that you want to remember is that if it's facing to the right, it should be positive. So this concludes the lesson for today. I know this is a little more challenging than the rest of the conic sections. So if you have any questions, please email me. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video and have a great day.